Hello, and welcome to Daily English Whisper. I'm really glad you're here with me today. My name is Alex, and this is a calm place where you can practice English through real conversations, spoken slowly and clearly. Today's episode is called Learn English with Easy Dialogue at the Supermarket. This episode is designed for learners at beginner to intermediate level. And today's goal is very simple: to help you feel comfortable understanding and using English in a supermarket. This is one of the most common real-life situations. Buying food. Asking questions. Responding politely. Paying at the register. Many learners understand English in lessons, but feel nervous in places like supermarkets. People speak quickly. There is background noise. And you don't have much time to think. If that sounds familiar, relax. This episode is here to help. We will listen to a realistic supermarket dialogue. We will slow it down. We will repeat key lines. And we will practice shadowing together. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You just need to stay with me. This is not a test. It's practice for real life. Before we start the dialogue, let me explain how we'll work. First, you will listen to short parts of the conversation. Then, I'll invite you to repeat some lines. Sometimes, I'll pause so you can answer quietly. If you don't feel ready to speak, you can just listen. Listening is already learning. Now, let's imagine the situation. You are at a supermarket. You are looking for a few items. You may need help. You may speak to an employee. You will go to the checkout. These are everyday moments. And today, English will feel calmer in these moments. Let's begin gently. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Let your jaw soften. Now, listen carefully. This is the start of the dialogue. Customer. Excuse me. Employee. Yes, how can I help you? Let's pause here. Listen again. Customer. Excuse me. Now, repeat slowly with me. Excuse me. Good. This is a very important phrase. You use it to get attention politely. Now listen to the response. Employee. Yes, how can I help you? Repeat slowly with me. Yes, how can I help you? Very nice. Now, let's continue the dialogue. Customer. I'm looking for the milk. Employee. The milk is in aisle 3. Pause. Listen again to the customer. I'm looking for the milk. Now, repeat slowly. I'm looking for the milk. Good. Notice how simple that sentence is. You don't need many words. Now listen to the employee. The milk is in aisle 3. Repeat slowly. The milk is in aisle 3. Excellent. This kind of exchange happens every day. And now, it's becoming familiar to you. Let's continue. Customer. Thank you. Employee. You're welcome. Pause. Repeat the customer. Thank you. Good. Repeat the employee. You're welcome. Very good. These small phrases are powerful. They help you feel polite and confident. You don't need to rush. You don't need to add extra words. Now, I want you to notice something important. This dialogue is simple. But it is real. Real English is often simple. And when you practice simple dialogues like this, your brain feels prepared. Prepared brains don't panic. Prepared brains respond. In the next part, we will continue the supermarket dialogue. Introduce asking about prices and items. And practice more shadowing. Stay with me. You're doing very well. Now, let's continue the dialogue inside the supermarket. Stay relaxed. Listen first. Then repeat slowly when invited. We are building real-life understanding, not speed. Customer. Do you have any fresh bread? Employee. Yes, it's near the bakery section. Let's pause here. Listen again to the customer. Do you have any fresh bread? Now, repeat slowly with me. Do you have any fresh bread? Good. This is a very useful question. You can change just one word and ask about anything. Now, listen to the employee. Yes, it's near the bakery section. Repeat slowly. Yes, it's near the bakery section. Very nice. Let's continue. Customer. How much is this? Employee. It's $3. Pause. Listen again to the question. How much is this? Repeat slowly. How much is this? Good. This is one of the most important supermarket phrases. Now, listen to the answer. It's $3. Repeat slowly. It's $3. Excellent. Now, let's add a little more detail. Customer. Is there a discount today? Employee. Yes, this item is on sale. Pause. Listen again. Is there a discount today? Repeat slowly. Is there a discount today? Good. Now, the response. Yes, this item is on sale. Repeat slowly. Yes, this item is on sale. Very good. These phrases help you feel confident asking about prices. You don't need to explain. You just ask. Let's continue the dialogue. Customer. I'll take 2, please. Employee. Sure. Pause. Repeat the customer. I'll take 2, please. Good. Notice how polite and simple this is. Now repeat the employee. Sure. Very nice. One-word answers are common in real life. Let's move closer to the checkout area. Customer. That's all, thank you. Employee. Please go to the register. Pause. Listen again to the customer. That's all, thank you. Repeat slowly. That's all, thank you. Good. Now, listen to the employee. Please go to the register. Repeat slowly. Please go to the register. Excellent. Now, imagine you are at the checkout. Cashier. Did you find everything? Customer. Yes, I did. Pause. Repeat the question. Did you find everything? Repeat slowly. Did you find everything? Good. Now, the answer. Yes, I did. Repeat slowly. Yes, I did. Very good. Sometimes the answer can also be no, not everything. Let's practice that too. Repeat slowly. No, not everything. Excellent. Now, let's continue. Cashier. Would you like a bag? Customer. Yes, please. Pause. Repeat the question. Would you like a bag? Repeat slowly. Would you like a bag? Good. Now, the response. Yes, please. Repeat slowly. Yes, please. Very nice. This exchange happens almost every day. Now, let's finish this part of the dialogue. Cashier. That will be $20. Customer. Here you go. Pause. Repeat the cashier. That will be $20. Repeat slowly. That will be $20. Good. Now, repeat the customer. Here you go. Repeat slowly. Here you go. Excellent. You're doing great. Notice how these sentences are short, clear, and polite. That's how real English works in places like supermarkets. In the next part, we'll continue the dialogue with payment, receipt, and leaving the store. And we'll practice a smooth, natural ending to the conversation. Stay with me. You're building real confidence. Now, let's continue and finish the supermarket conversation in a calm, natural way. Stay relaxed. Listen first. Then repeat slowly when invited. Cashier. Would you like to pay by card or cash? Pause. Listen again. Would you like to pay by card or cash? Now, repeat slowly with me. Would you like to pay by card or cash? Good. This question is very common. You hear it in many stores. Now, listen to the customer's answer. Customer. By card, please. Repeat slowly. By card, please. Very good. Another possible answer is cash, please. Repeat slowly. Cash, please. Excellent. Now, let's continue. Cashier. Please insert your card. Pause. Listen again. Please insert your card. Now, repeat slowly with me. Please insert your card. Good. This instruction is common at the checkout. Let's continue. Cashier. Would you like the receipt? Customer. Yes, please. Pause. Repeat the question. Would you like the receipt? Repeat slowly. Would you like the receipt? Good. Now, repeat the answer. Yes, please. Very nice. Another common answer is no, thank you. Repeat slowly. No, thank you. Excellent. Now, let's move to the end of the conversation. Cashier. Here's your receipt. Customer. Thank you. Pause. Repeat the cashier. Here's your receipt. Repeat slowly. Here's your receipt. Good. Now, repeat the customer. Thank you. Very good. Let's finish politely. Cashier. Have a nice day. Customer. Thank you, you too. Pause. Repeat the cashier. Have a nice day. Repeat slowly. Have a nice day. Good. Now, repeat the customer. Thank you, you too. Repeat slowly. Thank you, you too. Excellent. You've now completed a full supermarket dialogue. From asking for help, to finding items, to paying and leaving. This is real-life English. Simple. Polite. Useful. Now, let's slow down for a moment. Take a breath. Notice something important. You didn't need advanced grammar. You didn't need long sentences. You used short, clear phrases. That's exactly how real conversations work. If you practice this dialogue again tomorrow, it will feel even easier. If you hear these phrases in a real supermarket, your brain will recognize them. And recognition creates confidence. Before we finish, let's repeat two very important phrases one more time. Listen first. Excuse me. Repeat slowly. Excuse me. Good. Now this one. Thank you, you too. Repeat slowly. Thank you, you too. Excellent. These two phrases alone can carry you through many situations. You did a great job today. If this dialogue helped you feel calmer about using English in public places, you can listen again, repeat again, and build confidence naturally. This is Daily English Whisper, and this practice is preparing you for real life.